G'day cocktail lovers, I hope you've been keeping well. Hope you're ready for another cocktail. The cocktail I'm going to make in this video, it's a comparatively simple cocktail. I'm going to make a gin sour. It's a nice standard cocktail, very easy to make, but I'm going to make a special, magical, color changing gin cocktail. Now this is all down to, while being in lockdown thanks to the coronavirus pandemic, I've been validating my existence through online shopping. I don't know about you, but that's a thing that happens a lot in my household. Been buying all sorts of things, this shirt for instance, this vest, I'm not making that up, both of these are lockdown purchases. Also a lot of booze and some fun little things which I'm using in this cocktail. And one is this magical little bottle. This is butterfly pea flower extract. Now, what that is, it's a natural extract from the butterfly pea flower. I've got to be really careful to pronounce that correctly. And it's essentially an acidity indicator. Naturally, it's very blue. And if you put it in a drink and then change the acidity of the drink, like by adding a citrus juice, the drink will change color, which is a bit of fun. I know there are a couple of gins marketed that actually have the butterfly pea flower extract in them. So they're this natural purple color, and if you add tonic to them, it'll change the pH and the gin will change color. If you add citrus, it'll be a bit more of a dramatic color change. So I'm going to show you how this works as I make a gin sour with some added butterfly pea flower extract. The standard ingredients of a gin sour are pretty straightforward, and starting off with 2 ounces of gin. And to that, I am going to add the butterfly pea flower extract. So gin, of course, a quite clear drink, and we add our magic color, and you'll see it's very purple. I need to mix this in a little so you can see it, but we now have a very purple gin. I may make this again and do some close-ups so you can really see it in action. But now we've got 2 ounces of gin with some butterfly pea flower extract. Makes it a very nice purple gin. To this we are going to add 1 ounce of lemon juice that I squeezed a bit earlier, and it goes instantly from purple to a much lighter pink. To round out the ingredients of the sour, I'm going to add ½ an ounce of sugar syrup that I've made at home. And you can see, again, that's changing the pH of the drink a little. It'll come up when we actually mix it. And again, for most sours, we'll do a foaming agent. You could do an egg white or aquafaba. I'm doing a couple of drops of another of my purchases while locked down, Wonder Foam. Just add 4 drops of Wonder Foam, and that's going to have the same effect that adding egg white would have. Now, with ice added, I'm going to give that a good solid shake because we want it to foam up. Hard shake for, say, 15 to 20 seconds. Finally, going to strain that into a glass. I've had chilling. I'm using a Nick & Nora. You could use a coupe or whatever glassware you prefer. And thanks to my magical color changing pea flower extract, we've got that lovely pinky purple gin sour. Now the butterfly pea flower extract doesn't affect the taste of the drink. It's purely decorative. So if we take a sip, oh, I love a sour, almost whatever the base spirit is that's in it. Oh, this is really nice. But yeah, if you want to impress your friends with a particularly special drink, what better than a magical color changing drink? Look, maybe your life has more meaning than mine and you don't have to buy things online to feel special when little presents come in the mail. But personally, I've had a lot of fun with online shopping while I've been in various levels of lockdown thanks to the coronavirus pandemic. But I do really like this. This is my first experiment with the butterfly pea flower extract. It does make for a very interesting drink, and I think you could probably get quite creative with how you use it. For instance, not necessarily mixing things all the way in so you get a shading or multicolors in a drink. I will probably do a few more experiments with this, and if I have any particular successes, I will definitely share them with you. Hey, speaking of sharing, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, it'd be great. Hey, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you've hit that notification bell so you know when I upload the videos, because I do at least 2 or 3 videos a week exploring various cocktails and various aspects of cocktail making. Like to make it a bit of fun, so if there's something you'd like to see, I'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, I do hope you look after yourself. I hope to see you again soon, but I'll leave you for now and just say cheers.